Daytime, baby. I don't know why there's so many car guys out tonight, but it's like an infestation. They all over this road. And one of them just got behind me, so it looks like they want to play. I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind, but like I said, I'm gonna repeat what I said. It looks like they want to play. Another nighttime POV. Don't forget to like, subscribe if y'all want more content. But I'm about to run the errand, and I was like, you know what, I might as well pick the camera up. Man, traffic is horrible right now, bro. Can't do nothing. It's kind of dark. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna just give y'all straight driving. I'm gonna roll the window down so y'all could enjoy the car sounds. Camaro. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that car is mad close. In the daytime, I feel like kind of slow with the camera on my head, but at nighttime when I got the camera on, I feel like Batman. You feel me? Oh man, people are putting up next to me. Oh gosh, I'm getting anxious. My social anxiety is kicking in. I'm gonna just headbutt him with the camera. We like that leg, no check engine. Look at that Mustang. Ooh, X5, that's a beautiful one. Pearl white, I'm assuming. Oh, what is this traffic? Why is everybody stopping? What's going on? I think that was a Mustang. I'm putting on my old cats because I put aftermarket cats and one of them cracked. One of them cracked, so it sounds like my car's like tooting everywhere. It don't really sound aggressive. It's like toot toot, and we don't want that. We want to sound dangerous. So yeah, we're gonna put the stock cats back on, but it has no, what's it called? It doesn't have the filter in the like the metal that makes the cat. You know what I'm talking about? It doesn't have that, so technically it's a straight pipe. Technically not. But it'll be alright. It'll all be alright. Bro, wanna let me in? Pretty, please. Don't be stingy, bro. Don't be stingy, don't be. That's what I don't get about drivers, dude. You see somebody trying to get in, let them in. Oh no. There you go. How often do you gotta drive in automatic and the manual? How often do you gotta drive in automatic in the manual mode for the transmission to go out? sounds like I got a supercharger. It could be my alternator. Whoa! Since when they got RGB lighting on police cars? Look, he's strobing. What's happening? A light show. Careful on this curve. Oh no, looks like a red. Well, my car makes these weird sounds from the back. It's not even backfire, it's just like, it sounds like metal rubbing.